Why do 100% of humans sneeze at super speeds? Let's find out. Ever wondered why sneezes feel so intense? Buckle up because this fun fact is about to zoom past you. When you sneeze, air can shoot out of your lungs at over 100 miles per hour. Yeah, you heard that right. 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some cars on the highway. But wait, there's more. The force of a sneeze can expel up to 100,000 tiny droplets into the air. It's like your own personal storm, but way less fun for everyone around you. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're basically a human hurricane. Science is wild, right? If you loved this nugget of knowledge, hit that subscribe button and join our squad of curious minds. Stay awesome and stay curious.